what you're experiencing is the best that I have to offer you as a viewer of the Just Like Drew YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, is it day 3 of box week? I can't remember. We started on Friday. Yeah, day 3 of box week. Well, that was a good introduction. So hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Drew. Box week is actually the best week every month on my YouTube channel. So actually, what you're experiencing is the best that I have to offer you as a viewer of the Just Like Drew YouTube channel. So I just want to let you know that up front, so you realize that this is as good as it's ever going to get. This is the most viewing pleasure you're going to ever receive from my content. So today we're going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. Allure is a monthly subscription box from Allure magazine that costs $15 per month. I was trying to remember. I'm a little bit like just flustered and out of it right now. We are going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is right here. This is the 5th one we've started. Basically, I fill up this box with items in my subscription boxes that I get so many that I keep some stuff, give some stuff away, and once that box is full, I will host a video that says this is how you enter the giveaway. It's really, really awesome, and it's just something that I love doing on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to try to open up the seal of this box with my nails. I'm not having success. I'm on the struggle wagon right now, so we'll just leave it at that. I'm like struggling to open things and having one of those like oddball days, which is, to be fair, like almost every day of my life, so it's just a normal day. So on the top they always have a little magazine that tells you about the items. If you look inside here, it would tell me about the items that I got in my box, like what they're good for, how to use them, etc. Allure's kind of interesting because some months they will like knock it out of the park, like at a new dimension. Like they had like an $85 bottle of serum in a box once, and then some months it's kind of like you don't really get that great of product. So with them, I get major FOMO for the fact of like one month I'll have it and I'll be like, ooh, wasn't that great? But then the next month I'll be like, ooh, but I got an $85 bottle of serum, so I kind of can't complain. So that's kind of why I keep it around, because you kind of never know what you're gonna get each month, if that makes sense. All right, so the first item that I have is Drunk Elephant Sukari Baby Facial Lissant. Let's see here. Apply an even layer to dry skin, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Okay, so it looks like this is like a Drunk Elephant, I'm guessing like face mask. That is really awesome. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I love trying stuff from the brand Drunk Elephant. Okay, I'm having trouble focusing right now. And I feel like they are a really awesome solid brand. I've never tried anything from them that's like a face mask, so I'm gonna try that out and see how I like that. The next item that we have is coconut oil gel from LA Rich Kid. All right, this coconut oil infused gel is a foundation in creating hydrated, lived-in, undone hair of right now. Ooh. So this is like, gives your hair like that lived in look. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. This is really cool. I want somebody to try this. For me, I kind of have like a set thing going on with my hair, so I feel like I would like rather let somebody try this than keep it and then use it once and be like, oh, I wish I would have done that. I feel like it's something that's really cool, especially like if your hair looks really good, like natural. My hair naturally is like really kind of coarse and curly, so I can't usually do the lived-in look that well, and if I do that with my hair as it is now, I just feel like it might not succeed well. Okay, so the next item that we have is Tartiste Pro Lash Adhesive. Okay, so this is a lash adhesive right here from Tarte, I guess. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, I wonder if there's lashes in here. So there's Tarte lashes. That is awesome. So I do happen to know Tarte lashes are actually kind of expensive. So you're getting Tarte lashes and Tarte lash adhesive. This is gonna go in the giveaway box as well. You guys know me and know my story. If you don't know me and my story, I don't do false lashes. We're not gonna go there, because every time I say I'm not gonna go there, I go on like a 20-minute rant about why I cannot wear false eyelashes, and then every time I have a video that says that, people comment with these really awesome like, girl, you got this, you can wear, and it's not my path. So I'm gonna put them in the giveaway box and let whoever wins, hopefully it's their path, or they have a friend whose path it is, but it is not my path, it is not my mom's path, and it's just not where I'm at in my life. So that's gonna go in the giveaway box. All right, and finally we have a MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. Ooh, okay, Ruby Woo. Ooh, okay, there we go. I'm gonna check this out. I actually Okay, oh, this is pretty. I've always heard this is one of the like most popular like MAC shades of lipstick that I've never personally tried, so I'm definitely gonna keep it and try it out. That's a really, really pretty red color. This box was really good. So we got a full-size MAC lipstick, a set of Tarte lashes with lash adhesive, as well as, which are right here. Those are going in the giveaway box. The coconut hair gel lived-in look stuff, which is going in the giveaway box, as well as like this drunk elephant. I think it is a face mask. I'm gonna actually go into the booklet real quick and just verify if that's a face mask or not as I drop things before I close out the video. Just give me 1 second. Alrighty, and alright. Basically, it looks like, oh, it's a peel. Ooh, it's like a facial peel. Oh, that's cool. And if you get the full size of it, it's usually like $80. So that's really, really awesome. So I'm really excited about it. I think this was actually a really good box. Like I said, you kind of never know what you're gonna get. So to put stuff in the giveaway box, we're putting in the lashes from Tarte, the lash primer, and the coconut gel lived-in look, and I'm keeping the other goodies. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of September 2018 box week. I think we're on day 3 and day 4. I don't know. Honestly, it's all kind of a blur, but I'm excited. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Putting makeup brushes in giveaway boxes just simply because a lot of people don't have those in their collection. And finally, the last item is Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. I think I've seen this